I don't have time to make videos. If this is stopping you from getting your message out there, I have some tips to streamline your video making process to get out there and get your voice heard. Showing up on video allows your audience to start to get to know you before they've even had an interaction with you. If you show up as yourself on video, people are going to know pretty quickly if you're the kind of person they're going to want to do work with. Having videos that talk about who you are, what you do, and the message you want to get out into the world will help you to attract your ideal client and weed through the people who aren't meant to work with you. So you're going, yes, I want to start making videos, but I feel like I just don't have the time. Here are a few strategies that will help you to streamline your video making process so you can be showing up on video more and attracting your ideal clients. Throughout the day, jot down any idea you have that you think you might want to share with your audience later in a video. I am always writing down ideas on scrap pieces of paper or in my diary, or even just jotting them down in my phone so I can come back to it later and not have to worry about forgetting. And then I have a whole pool of ideas or thoughts to go back to when I decide I'm going to do a video recording session, and I don't have to spend all that time from scratch trying to figure out what I'm going to say. If a client or a potential client asks you a question about a product or a service that you offer, think about whether this might be something that other people might want to know if they're considering buying from or working with you. Once you have accumulated a list of video content ideas, block out a time in your month or every fortnight, even every week, depending on how much content you're wanting to put out there. Sit down with your camera and your list of content and just record as much as you possibly can in one sitting. This will save you time during your busy week when you're wanting to put video content out there because you have a library of videos to draw from, or you can schedule these posts ahead of time so you can focus on what you do best in your business. The editing can sometimes take longer than recording the video itself. What I recommend is trying to edit your videos soon after you record them while it's still fresh in your mind, you still have motivation, and you keep that momentum going. If you have a library of graphics, titles, and templates for your videos that you can easily drag and drop, this will also streamline your video making process so you don't have to spend hours reinventing the wheel every time you make a video. Like anything, the more you do it, the easier and faster you will get. It is worth investing some time in the beginning to learn a few skills and set up some templates so when you go to make a video, you know exactly what you're doing and it will take less time every time you make a video. Check out my tutorial for 3 tips and techniques for making better videos when you're first starting out. If you get into the habit of writing down any ideas you think you might want to share later, and also scheduling that time to do bulk recordings and bulk edits, you'll be able to streamline your video process and you'll be smashing out that content in no time. I hope these tips help you save time creating your video content, and I can't wait to see what you create next. If you have any video questions, please leave me a comment below and hit the subscribe button for more video tips and techniques. Check out my video on 4 mistakes beginners make when they first start making video and how you can avoid them to streamline your video making process further. I will see you next time. I hope these tips help you save time with your video bulk videos and do edits. So close. So close.